Hi, my name is Dr. Adam Tan, and I practice in the city of Barrie, which is about an hour's north of Toronto. And I have a second practice as well in Orillia, which is even farther north of Toronto, about an hour and 15 minutes or so. I've been practicing dentistry since 1999, and presently our practices have a very unique setup, and that is we have a naturopathic dental nutritionist who's a full-time member on staff. So we have, as I said, a very holistic approach to dentistry. So it's not just putting in fillings, but it also starts with what you put into your mouth. And in addition to that, we have CAD/CAM technology in our practice through the use of a German technology that allows us to scan teeth, prepare teeth, and provide for us options for our patients. A crown made out of a ceramic material, all in one visit, typically less than 2 hours within a day. So we recognize that the core audience for our practice, our patient base, our major demographic, are professionals, are people who really appreciate the convenience, of being able to get into our practice, get a total care approach in terms of what's available to them, all the options and the choices, because we do have several doctors and dental care professionals. So our practice is open from 8 o'clock in the morning until 8 o'clock at night, and we have Saturdays as well. So we really push the convenience factor for our patients, because it's not so much about what's convenient for the doctors, it's really these days now what's convenient for our patient base. So we really care for our patients that way. We're always learning and trying to find new technologies and insights for our dental patients. With the advent of the internet, sometimes our patients are very much up to date in terms of what's the latest and greatest there. So we love to learn, and we enjoy change by nature of what we do. And over the next few years or so, we'll be introducing a lot of the concepts that the IAOMT has brought to the surface, and we're trying to push that into our practice as well. So what that means for our patients is that they will not only have lots of choice, but they'll also have choices that are better for them, better for their overall health, and that will really nicely tie in all the available services in our practice. So not only now are we practicing state-of-the-art dentistry, but we've been able to combine that with the triumphant renovation of a very key historical building in the city of Barrie. So we've been very proud to be able to become the curators of a big part of the city's history. You're able to come into our practice and see us. Make sure that you talk with one of my crew members, and they will actually bring you for a nice tour of the historical building as well as part of your welcome into our practice. Hope to see you there.